His name was Norman Bradshaw. It was my father. He was the coolest cat I knew. One of my top musical inspiration. He played trombone, trumpet, sousaphone. He played guitar. He was a great singer, and he was an incredible preacher. He would play like certain old gospel songs for me. He said, when I get home from work today, I want to hear you play it. I want you to learn this, and when I get home from work today, I want to hear you play it. He said, but I want to hear a whole bunch of notes. He said, listen to the words, learn the words. He said, and then express them with your horn. And that's the way I learned how to play trombone, to sing through the trombone. The trombone is an extension of my voice. So I didn't learn to play trombone through the many scales and the amazing ways of music theory. That's not the way I learned. I learned by singing through the instrument, playing the words of the songs, singing the lyrics of the songs.
And before you go, don't forget, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button.